everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arista here and I'm back with another video and it's gonna be a Flipkart haul. These are my favorite things to do because everything that I get off Flipkart is like so amazing. So for today the brand is Barshka. It's a very amazing brand. I think most of you all must have heard of it. I've already in the past shopped from it a lot. It has a lot of amazing styles and they have a very soft girl aesthetic. Like unke jo bhi kapde hote, they're very petite and they're very just sweet to look at, and I'm very excited to show you all. I got a lot of tops from there and a dress, I think. So yeah, I'll show them to you all, and yeah, let's get started. So the first top is this that I got from Barshka, and it's a really cute top. It's like thoda vintage and like Pinterest type. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and इसका fit बहुत अच्छा है. And हाँ, सामने से buttons है, so you know you open the buttons and you can wear it as a vest also, like as a jacket. Under mano white plain top है and ऊपर से you can wear this. And I wore this with green pants because green और green match हो रहा था and it looks really amazing. मैं side में पहन के दिखा दूँगी and I wore it for dinner like 2 days ago with daughter's day I went with Papa. So I wore that and it looks really classy if you wear it with like golden jewelry, like maybe a golden watch with like golden hoops. It just looks very classy in total, and you can wear it for two like formal events also, like parties and all, maybe with a skirt or like white trousers or something like that. But this is really nice. The quality is amazing and ये कहीं से भी ऐसे फटा वटा कुछ नहीं है. मैंने एक दो बार तो पहन ही लिया already ये, and it's really comfortable also, and yeah, good for summer, really good for summer. And yeah, so yeah, मैंने बहुत जगह देखा था ये top and that's where I got the inspo. And but I thought it would be very expensive, but as you know, Flipkart पे सब कुछ you get at a very affordable price, and this top is very trendy. And Flipkart पे this thing I've noticed, जो भी कपड़े trend में चल रहे होते हैं, like the trendiest clothes, you get them at Flipkart like that moment itself. So पूरा उसका Flipkart में जो भी कपड़े होते हैं, they are very trendy and like on point. So हाँ, ये मैंने बहुत लोगों के पास देखा था top, and now I have it. And if you like it, the link is in the description, so you can check it out from there. Okay, so the next top we have is this right here. ये भी मैंने already पहन लिया and this is very cute. I'll show this to you. इसकी back इतनी अच्छी है. So here it is सामने से. And you know, एक मिनट मुझे दिखाती हूँ. ऐसा मेरे पास already एक और top था, but that was plain. This is floral with like white flowers. इसमें एक और color भी था. I think 2-3 colors थे. And I got this. And इसमें सामने से you can make it tighter also. Like the more tighter you make, सामने से उतना छोटा हो जाता है. Like it will go like this. मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा किया because that's more comfortable to me. And इसमें side में ऐसे balloon sleeves है, like ऐसे big थोड़ा shoulder से, तो it looks really nice. And इसकी back, वैसे back अभी है नहीं because so I'll show them to you side में you can see the back. इसमें दो strings है, one that goes ऊपर and one that goes नीचे, तो उसकी back बहुत अच्छी लगती है. And this is a very amazing top क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा मोटा भी नहीं है, it's not too thick, it is a पतला कपड़ा, so you can wear it on summer days even though it's like, you know, लंबा, but you can wear it on summer days like good beach days or something like that. And you can style it with white shorts or maybe blue shorts or maybe blue jeans also, it will look good with. Even green, I think, even if I wear it with these jeans, it will look good because it has a tint of green in it. And I really love this top. Its neckline, it has a V neckline. It's super sexy and it looks really good. And I got this in the size small, I think, because हर एक outfit, like हर एक product में अलग-अलग sizes आते हैं. For this I got small, like कहीं पर मुझे extra small मिला था, so you should check the size chart given like before getting the thing. But this is really cool. And again, like it's like ऐसे tops बहुत चल रहे हैं आजकल. मैंने इंस्टा पे बहुत लोगों को पहनते हुए देखा है. And like even Pinterest with these tops are like very trending. आगे से low cut and then fluffy arms. So like Flipkart has the trendiest clothes and like damn crazy. Top मैंने tops ही मंगाए थे सारे. Okay, this is also very cute. I love this, and it's like look at this. It's amazing. It's first of all, it's knitted. I didn't expect it to be knitted. It's like properly knitted, and it's a cardigan. It's a cute cardigan. Now that winter is coming up, but ऐसा नहीं कि winter वाला भी cardigan ही है. It's थोड़ा पतला, so you can wear it on summer days. And I thought कि मुझे इसके अंदर white पहनना पड़ेगा क्योंकि mostly जो knitted होते हैं ना, you can see through them. But इसमें बिल्कुल ऐसा था नहीं. It's totally amazing. It's a cardigan. It's a cropped cardigan. And the sleeves are so nice. They're again like those princess balloon sleeves. They start from here, so it gives a really nice illusion. And it's the color is very nice. It's a very different color. It's not baby pink. It goes thoda magenta mein also, but still in the pink section, and it's really cute. I wanted to got this in the size extra small. You can opt for a size. So as I was saying, you can opt for a size bigger because you can, then you can get the baggy wala thing. And then Flipkart has 10 lakh plus styles, so you get different variety of different clothing. So you have a lot of options there to choose from. So the great thing, and yeah, this is definitely I'm gonna wear very often. ये मैंने पहना है एक बार, I think I've already worn it, and you can see it on my Insta पे, कहीं ना कहीं तो पहना होगा. And मैं side में भी दिखा रही हूँ. I think these will look really good with black jeans maybe, or even white jeans, even white shorts, because इसका color palette हुआ. But this is really cute and definitely my new favorite. Okay, so मैंने ये top कभी नहीं पहना अभी तक. मैंने of course try किया, but I have not worn it anywhere. And इसका favorite thing was the color of this top. मेरे पास इस color में कुछ था ही नहीं. It's dark mustard yellow, थोड़ा सा brown but dark mustard yellow. And again, मुझे ऐसे tops आजकल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Look at it. It's so cute. So Barshka has a lot of ऐसे type of tops. You know those cute girly tops, puffy sleeves, and the neckline is also very cute. पीछे से and आगे से. मैं साइड में पहन के दिखाई दूंगी. I can wear these with my brown pants. I have brown pants, so ये उसके साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And then maybe white shorts or anything like that. But इसका कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है. It has थोड़ा पतला कपड़ा, so it's comfy to wear. And yep, I got this in the size extra small, so it's like totally perfectly fitting for me. And इसका क्या बोलते हैं, sleeve stretchable है, so it can be stretched. Even the top is also stretchable. पीछे भी इसमें elastic है, so it can be stretched easily. So fit का कुछ नहीं है. But it's a really cute top. I've not worn it yet, but you can see in the video side में how it fits my body and how it looks in total. But yeah, it's totally 10 on 10. I recommend it. So I got this on a very affordable rate, and वैसे भी फ्लिपकार्ट पे चीज़ें अफोर्डेबल ही होती है. एंड ऑल्सो फ्लिपकार्ट पे सेल्स चलती रहती है. सो यू गेट मिनिमम ऑफ 60 to 80% ऑफ. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट ऑफर्स चलते ही रहते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट. सो आई थिंक यू शुड कीप योरसेल्फ अपडेटेड. And I got this at a very reasonable and a very affordable. So Flipkart has premium international brands at very affordable rates, and they're all real. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है second copies or something like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You get like proper international brands at a very affordable price. That's a go for me. And now we have the last outfit. And this मैंने बाकी सारे tops है, चारों के चारों tops है, like tops ही है. And this I got a dress because I wanted a dress. बाकी मेरे पास जो मैंने पिछली बार ड्रेस मंगाई थी, तो वो वाइट ऐसे थोड़ा फ्लो वाली ड्रेस. So this is a black dress. Black, you can't go wrong with black. It's a form fitted, like it's a bodycon dress. And आगे से it has a zip, so I can style this with like silver hoops or with some silver chunky earrings with a choker maybe. And it's really nice. You can wear it on a daytime also, maybe with a jacket all over it, or maybe अगर रात को पहनना है then you can wear it as it is with like black heels or something like that. But it's really cool. The fitting is really amazing. You just open it सामने से, so the zip goes down. And so it's really cool. You can see side में मैं पहन के दिखाई दूँगी. And ये कपड़ा इसका वो वाला है, like it's knit वाला कपड़ा, वो नहीं है, it's not cotton, but it's a really nice material क्योंकि it hugs your body perfectly. And I think bodycon dresses इसी की होनी चाहिए. And ऊपर से it's strappy. And आगे से it's not even too deep, it goes up to your neck. And if you want it to be deep, you can open the zip till you want it to be. And really cute and a very affordable. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked all these clothes, मैं सबके link description में दे दूँगी, so you can check it out. And if you want more Flipkart hauls, comment down below and let me know and tell me what brand should I do with Flipkart next. So yeah, that was it guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Love you all.